Hello guys, now Thursday early morning film this and Friday. By the time you guys see this video, so as you can tell, it is not a cloudy oh winter morning trip. But look at the moon out there in this job. It's nice full moon out there. So yeah, so it is actually cold moon too. So yeah, so pretty cool to be seeing the full moon again though. So yeah. So yeah. But anyway, so just been working on yes about this now just pretty much exporting then uploading my phobia. Still just happy to tell you guys. Hope everyone is enjoying the working PS, but last time PS blobby working my skin tea, which I'm definitely look forward to PS. So and on that that's all I'll talk about for a moment. So I'll pretty much stop talking now and I'll pretty much talk to you guys Leonti after work. Alright guys, so this Leoni D&D now, as you can tell by the sun being way up there in Scandinavia. It's already now 22 or 3 now, oh yeah. So they we're by pretty quick. Usually, yeah, but I'm back in the Automatic driving machine for the first time since 30, but yeah. So this is of course my final walk before most of us the tea or what say I see or early tomorrow, but yeah. So man, so yeah. This is so overall it's been a really busy day at work machine. But yeah, we had something in the two cities in Judgment Pearl, and yeah, we had something in Port Cove and consistent job machine. So yeah, and the reason why it was so busy was because since more show coming we want to get everything done just in case we had to sell the toll. So yeah, so but on the way the snow should be over by early tomorrow or so. So but it should take some time for the snow clearing to happen. So yeah. So I still got some freezing rain or ice or whatever coming down after we get some a heavy push snow or what is it later taken to early tomorrow. So yeah, so yep. If we could lose some of the snow as well, just we got a weird drizzle coming too, but we will see. But yeah, by the way, I'm taking out of the after since this is what we took out the goal again. So yeah, and of course last time I had 2 days. Well, I worked only 2 days. It was back in at the end of January. It was I actually worked Monday and Thursday. See which I do now, but yeah, but that changes then. I hope to know before I got better, but by the way, actually I look like I'll be there's way much leaving over there with 12, yeah. Yeah, it wouldn't be surprised if I have the African 12, but I won't take it home. If I just do the or take a drive to, then I'll be hitting up via Rapper Road, heading over to back over there, heading down Lowry, touch about to the west end of Via Road. Yeah, man, yeah. Yeah, this is the last day sunny blue clear sky day fully see they will only see yeah for you, yeah, good little while guys, but I'll keep an eye on the on the weather forecast toward coming this week or whatever, yeah. But yes, because I think next time it'll be sunny and the blue skies will be oh, I see it'll be the spring probably around I see me, I'm guessing we'll get the next push of showy winds. Yep, and yeah, there usually be some warmer temperatures throughout the spring and summer, even parts of the fall. Man, yeah. It was fun while I was with the sunshine and blue sky trying to pass a few days, but we do have to start next little while because we do need a bit more snow, but the way all we had a lot of snow trying to read the show out, but oh, we'll she has to try to rest me and yeah, we're into the middle of March already, so your February already, so you got time till the winter pretty much ends and it's been about, so yeah. But anyway, so just past everything now, so people start talking now, people enjoy the rest of my market as well. People talk to you guys over to the Justice studio, yeah. Alright guys, so just me over to Justice area now a few weeks ago, and yeah, as you can tell, I just finished my break over here just a few weeks ago, but or just then I see, but yeah, but what lot do we have over here though, but yeah. So we do got a chance of Snowville here though, over here and pretty much over here too. So yeah. So definitely enjoy the walk. Not less about just we're leaving now, and I won't be going to the Peter bit up this time because of because yesterday when I was over there, they still need a whole pile of snow over there. So yeah, I'm not gonna bother walking into deep stuff, but because next time I'll be going to the people stuff, unless it'll be or walking around the long trails over there, will be well, so much probably around the springtime, so they'll probably be in a month or so. So yeah, so man, definitely I just to stop over to Washington over there. So but it won't be clear though, since I always used when I got home from work, but man, but yeah. So yeah, so if he was talking, you guys are over to the west end of Via Road from Touchpal Road. Alright guys, so we're watching me over to the west end of Via Road from Touchpal Road, yeah. So yeah, And I'm gonna say like finally it's just this carpet, it's been but yeah, it's just stressing me now, yeah. As you can tell, you got lots of stuff to know, and I shall pack a lot what's in there in the few over there as well, yeah, but yeah, it was just soon to got plenty of snow ice on the pond, was getting, yeah, the more and on to be oh, trade and hopefully into the week or two. So yeah, so man, yeah, yeah. So if you could just oh, Peggy just to the ground for whatever reason, but oh well, but man, so people can be home now. Yeah, every people's home for the rest of the the now oh yes, so probably much more to vlog was Gizono, so I hope you guys enjoy the vlog anyway, so yeah, and I'll be talk to you guys oh at the for end of vlog if I don't talk to you guys before that. Alright guys, so the little it's you can tell by my lights being turned off so my screen and my two lamps being on, so yeah, so yeah, so we just finished some of my skating now probably put on not the weight that I got done yes though, so that's all good. So you can tell my voice is a bit hoarse, but that's from probably from being out walking in the really cold temperatures the past few days. So oh yeah, but hopefully it won't get worse. I won't end up getting this sniffles and how this, but and hopefully won't end up get the cold, but oh well, it said tired though, yeah, freaking flu season, yeah, it's, so oh my god. Yeah. but I'm trying to keep these vlogs clean, but now it's slightly just used, but oh my, but try not to spill it, but I think I do do a pretty good job though. Oh yeah. 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 It's but only if not then I can it's kind of send me or will come out in myself. Oh my. Oh my. Yeah, I am probably myself again, but yes, but yes, but so far found but as I got back from work, I see I've been just relaxing, watching some YouTube and pretty much watching the news and YouTube video. Yep. And I'm curious to finish my shopping now too. Yeah, it's only now 7:30. So yeah, yeah, and I was worried about oh. So I was worried about being booked for yeah. So we'll be off work for because of the storm. So yeah. So we got everything done for at least for till 12. So yeah. So so that's how good. At least it will be much on go for anyway. So yeah. So oh yeah. So we'll be much 12 was in other than do the people suffering though. Yeah. So I think done a decent job shoveling oh what was it yeah sorry on Monday. So yep. And hopefully do a decent job oh what is it tomorrow too. But yes, but wait on. So yeah, but anyway yeah. And also oh for anyone who's speaking to hockey lately the for this is face off started last night, and it was Team Canada versus oh I think it was Team USA, I believe it was, or I'm pretty sure it was Team USA, but no, so it was Team Switzerland. Wait, Team USA is on a Saturday, so oh yeah. So getting them mixed up for whatever reason. So yeah. So but the good news is Team Canada won. So so at least the face off is off to a good start with with our home team winning. So but yeah, but but yes, but at least I'll be able to watch the Four Nations next game on the Saturday versus Team USA. So yeah, so yeah, but it will become on an hour later than usual of hockey games. Oh, come on, which is at 8:30. This will be coming on at 9:30. So yeah. So yeah. so so we see Saturday it was little late for me watching hockey and all. So but yeah. But but it be all for a good cause for the clean wise. So yeah. So yep. But at least I will be in no rush to globally the following morning though. So yep. So well yeah. But yeah. And also six to be having a day off for I have a long weekend. Yep. Had a much long weekends oh this with the season oh or whatever. But yeah. Yep. I've only had well oh my yep. Yep. Well I've only had obviously three. I'm pretty sure was because I was off work on a Friday last back in the end of January. Then I was out 2 weeks before that. Then oh, I think before that I think it was October. I took a day off Friday. Oh yeah, that was that's when I had to fill up my Crohn's. Yep, but I worked when the film actually started uh, the before I went to immerse, but we started Thursday, but but I was I mean my choice not to agree to work on the on the Friday before the Thanksgiving long weekend, but yeah, yep, but man, because during that period I was actually very stressed over there, so yep. So but last I was in there for pretty much oh part of Friday and well Friday afternoon and even and yeah never got out there till pretty much around 12 hours after I got in to the it was yeah and yep, it was long read, but all I did was the give me blood work and I think they give me blood work twice, so and then when mom told doctors I was feeling a little weak, that's got me in fasted, which was later in the evening, and and then the nurse, and I told the nurse what was the problem, and then I just had to get a few other things done after that, which was oh. Give a stool sample and then they give me antibiotics and then I thought they were prescribed them to be that night, and I never got them till the following afternoon, which is Saturday. So oh yeah, so yeah, so that's my experience with my recent flip. Yeah, a little bit more insight and but yes, so I want to talk about that now as well since oh oh my, yep. Just no to talk about this, but yeah, but let me just the reason why I came up pretty much just let my head silly, so oh my, but but so yeah, so anyway, so that's all about pretty much stop talking now. I'll pretty much enjoy the rest of my even now. Yeah, and I'll pretty much oh yeah. Let me just remember my talk about my feature film. It was because oh last time it was because the first time I had the Friday off this year was back in well it was back in October. So well October last year that is, but yeah. So oh my, so Oh yeah, so yeah, so enough that now I'll pretty much stop talking now and I'll pretty much talk to you guys at the very end of the vlog, yeah, and yeah, and I'll tell you my long weekend non non nonetheless oh yeah, but I'll be relaxing. I'll leave home or get some exercise or make a sky trip in town twice a weekend. Oh my. Yep, and he watching the foundation face off. Oh man, got love, have a lot we can do with the. Oh yeah, lots of berries of that over the years too. Oh yeah, even being in school yep, 20 school season having half days and P days the following day. Yeah, so oh man, oh the memories. They were so fun though. Let me tell you. Oh yeah. So oh yeah, so enough talking now. People talk to you guys at the end of the vlog. Yes, I'm talking now for just about 50 minutes. So yeah, I'll try not to make this vlog 30 minutes. So yes, so I'll try to make the end of the vlog short. We got to show this Leon Indian like now now will be 11:30 now. Yeah, as you can tell me the story hadn't really started yet, but it should be starting very slowly though. But yes, so wait on. So yeah, but anyway so it's pretty time for me to not bed my screen, but yeah, I'll just keep in the TV stuff turned off now. Got Baku TV turned on now. As well as you play the repeat of the nightly news from what was it early this evening vision and what was it 8 p.m. Newfoundland time. So yeah, so right now so I just hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I sort of enjoyed it so far, but yes, but as I am trying to vlog, I'm pretty much off control and yeah, and I'll figure out the plan for things. So yes, I am so I'll be in bed now and yeah, and I'll pretty much talk to you guys in the morning. So over and out.